Subaru XV. Install Senpai 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, 2K screen, 2000 times 1002 resolution pixel. Okay, it's a clip-on casing, 9-inch plug and play socket. Steering control can connect. "2K screen", so left hand side is no button, no shortcut button, but got a mic input and a RST simple reset. AHD reverse camera input. Setting, network, turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet, or you can insert a 4G data, 4G SIM card slot. SIM card slot will hidden inside. Okay, got 2 USB extension and a GPS antenna. A 4G antenna as well, it will hidden inside the pillar. General, navigation bar button, so you can turn on the right hand side button, a bottom button, or the left display. But the resolution, the display will make it smaller, or you can hide it, then use the full screen. Got a shortcut key, so shortcut key you can use. Okay, original, reverse line, reverse parking line on off, reverse system select, NTSC. If you connect for the original reverse camera, you have to choose NTSC. If you change aftermarket AHD camera, you can select for the AHD 720. Aston forward view, this is for the auto front camera function. If you choose for the 10-second, that means when you reverse view. Okay, connect original reverse camera, reverse view. When I turn to parking normal or D, auto switch to front camera view for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, we'll switch back to normal UI. Okay, if you not use for the auto front camera function, just close it. System, if you want to reset factory, full factory reset. About this player, TS18 version. Okay, Octa Core, Cortex A55, 1.6 GHz, sound processor AK7604, radio is 4755, Bluetooth 5.0. So Senpai 2K screen, 4GB RAM, 64GB room, internal storage. Okay, 2K screen is screen resolution 2000 times 1002, Android version 12. Full menu. T-Link for CarPlay or Android Auto function. So you have to Bluetooth connect with your phone. After Bluetooth connect, auto detect. Radio setting, select the frequency you want, then long press to save it. Steering control setting, YouTube, Waze, Google Maps, Spotify, all can download from Play Store. Log in Gmail to download app. DSP, 48 band DSP. Preset channel. So if your car is fixed for the external DSP. So for this function, you have to flat it. This is connect to the external DSP controller. So press for Waze GPS. Bluetooth for Bluetooth call, connection for Bluetooth call, pairing. After that, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Share your phone music to CarPlay. If you don't want to call pairing, just delete it, remove it. Search to pairing. Okay, so this is Senpai 8-core processor, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 2K screen, QLED for Subaru XV. Senpai Android. One piece installed by One Piece. Our shop location in Balakong, Seri, Kembangan, Selangor, Malaysia. Thank you.